Hi everyone, and welcome to Ellon Academy's virtual assembly on Thursday the 11th of February. So I would just like to say to everyone to have a very relaxing and enjoyable February long weekend. Just to remind you, we're on holiday tomorrow, Friday the 12th of February, and we're also on holiday on Monday the 15th. Those two dates are part of our long weekend. The in-service days are on Tuesday the 16th and Wednesday the 17th of February, and pupils will return to remote learning on Thursday the 18th, and the in-school provision for key worker and vulnerable children will also resume back in school on Thursday the 18th of February. So hopefully whatever you're doing, maybe making fun in the snow in the local environment, or you're just having some time off, some downtime and well-deserved time to put your feet up, or you may be celebrating Valentine's Day with someone special, whether that is virtually, or you might be sending cards or sending people good wishes. Whatever you're doing, I hope it's nice and relaxing for you. So while you are off school, we've got our in-service days, and the things that the staff will be working on, and we're working remotely from home, but we'll be looking at the understanding standards for all of the SQA courses, just to make sure that all our members of staff are absolutely up to speed in terms of what is required for the standards for courses. We'll also be looking at how we moderate and verify our courses, and some staff will have set aside time to complete their S3 reports. We'll be looking at our online learning through Google Classrooms, again just updating and making sure that the work is being posted and there is some feedback for pupils as well. We're also looking at two very key plans for going forward from the 22nd of February, and those are plans regarding the return of senior phase pupils who've got practical elements of their courses to be looking at, and also that would include our plans including transport as well, as to how we make sure that pupils are transported in to school and home from school when they're in as part of that practical work. Also dovetailing with the plans for senior phase return is the plans for how we staff the hub in school for supervision for key worker and vulnerable pupils. It remains to be said that it's a hugely challenging task for staff to balance the supervising the hub, delivering practical lessons, and also continuing with remote learning. So we're working really closely as to how we can best make that happen in the best interests of everyone involved. So the last part of the assembly is, as ever, to stay safe, to stay as close to home as possible, and you should only be out for essential purposes. But I would say to our young people, enjoy your local environment. It's looking beautiful just now, but be safe if you're out enjoying the snow and the weather. So take care everyone, and have a lovely long weekend.